Hey, I'm glad to see you again. Listen, many of you have been to my trainings or classes or mentoring or watched my videos, and if you like what you hear, I'd like to offer you my next installment of a special group that is 3 sessions long, and it's called the Feast of Forgiveness. And why do I call it that? You don't hear that very often, do you? Well, it's because I believe we've been sold a bill of goods about forgiveness, about what we must do, should do, have to do. And I'm not sure that's right. As a matter of fact, I want you to consider how forgiveness shows up in your life and your belief system, and what might bring you more happiness, satisfaction, and peace. Now, this time of year is when we frequently go home to family that we may or may not have a peaceful relationship with. Now is the time when we realize how polarized our lives have become in this country and beyond. So I'm thinking, good time for us to investigate and talk safely, warmly, encouragingly, curiously about this forgiveness. What in my life needs forgiveness? Or what am I thinking it does? Is that true? And how might I curiously unfold this differently, with compassion and real healing for yourself? Interested? Good. I hope to see you soon. Deets are below.